Namaste. Welcome to our mini series, third episode of Strings and Stillness. For today, I try to play a beautiful composition Yadavani ba Yadukula Nandana. In Hindustani music, you must look beyond just the lyrics of the songs. Krishna is the spiritual and structural foundation of the entire art form. This song, composed by Sri Purandara Dasaru. In this song, invites Lord Krishna in different ways and he explains his bravery and his looks. And beautiful composition set to the very beautiful rag Bhimpalasi.
यादवनीवा यदुकुल नंदन माधव मधुसूदन